Mustikkamaa Recreation Area, Helsinki's island of everyday escape. Mustikkamaa, literally blueberry land, has been a cherished suburban retreat since its transformation into a public park in 1921. Once a spa escape for the Russian elite thanks to its mineral spring, it now breathes life as a playground of recreation and calm, where history and modernity blend on pine-framed shores. Covering about 36 hectares, this island paradise lies just 5 km east of downtown Helsinki, bridged to the city via Korkeasaari since 1964, and the striking Isoisen Silta, 2016, from Kalasatama here. Rugged granite cliffs meet sandy beaches, shaded pine forests stand beside open lawns, and wooden boardwalks guide you toward the breeze of the Gulf of Finland. Mustikkamaa caters to wide-ranging leisure, a life-guarded summer beach with showers and changing rooms, outdoor gym equipment, public tennis and ball courts, cross-country skiing trails in winter, and a summer theater staging performances annually.